So we have all the orders packed up. This is what I've been like visualizing in my head. Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So I'm really excited about this video because I'm going to be taking you through an entire workday in my life. If you guys don't already know, I own and run a small business called Swim, and it's a swimwear brand. So I'm going to be taking you through the behind the scenes and how I do everything for that. And obviously I also do social media for a living, so I'll be showing you a little bit of that as well. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post new videos every Saturday at 3 p.m. EST, 12 p.m. PST. And give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more day in the lives. Now before we jump right into the video, I want to give a big shout out to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. So if you are unfamiliar with Dossier, they are my personal favorite perfume brand because they reproduce high-end luxury scents at literally a fraction of the price. And all their products are vegan, cruelty-free, and they contain no toxic chemicals or parabens or any of the sulfate stuff that we just like don't want in our products. And if you guys are familiar with me and my channel, then you would know I'm vegan and I try to use natural products as much as possible. Another really great part about Dossier is they have a risk-free system. So if you buy a perfume and you don't absolutely love it, you can return it within 30 days by just placing the unsealed bottle in the same packaging that it came in, and you'll get your money back guaranteed. So the affordability of Dossier scents ranges from $29 to $49, while luxury designer brands literally range from $100 to like $380. Speaking about affordability, they also have great bulk deals on the website, so if you order 3 or more perfumes, you can get up to 25% off and free shipping. So if you think about it, you can get like 3 to 5 perfumes for about the same price as a luxury perfume. Crazy. So if you're looking for a new scent or a candle, or want to get one as a gift for a loved one, because these make great gifts, I linked Dossier down below for you guys to check out. Now let's get into the day in my life. Good morning guys. So I just woke up. It's 7:15. I do not want to get out of bed, but we have so much we need to do today. And over the weekend I had a TikTok do really well, and we had, I want to say like 12 sales, so we have to pack 12 orders, which is amazing. So I'm bringing you guys along with me. My voice is like morning voice right now, so you can see what goes into owning a bikini brand or any small business really. Oh my god, my hair. So we're gonna get up and get started by making my bed first. So at this point I usually do my workout, and today's a leg day, so we're gonna be doing a leg day workout. So now I'm going to be taking my Dossier perfume in Floral Berries, and I'm going to be spraying it on my wrists like this, and then I'm going to spray it like this and walk through. At least I didn't spray in my eye like last time. But I love this scent so much, and if you want to check out any of Dossier's scents, I link them down below. Okay, so I put on my outfit. I got this set from Nasty Gal probably like last June. Let's fix this hair, and then I'm going to make some oatmeal for breakfast. So I don't know if you guys already know this, or if you've seen my first room tour video ever, which I was super young, I was like 16. So if you want to go back and watch it, you can, but like it's super old. This bed that I sleep in actually can transform into a desk. Also ignore the fact that my desk is a little bit messy right now. Ta-da! My workstation. So I'm back with my breakfast. I just made oats with banana, almond milk, protein powder, and chocolate chips like I usually do. And I'm just gonna eat this and probably watch like a YouTube video before we get started on everything. so here's my to-do list for today. I try to make a to-do list every day on my iPad of what I need to do, so I already worked out. We're currently filming this day in the life, and then next, what we're gonna do is pack orders. So I'm gonna try to do all of this stuff on this list. If I don't get to all of it, it's okay. I could always finish it tomorrow. I try to write out every day of the week ahead of time on like a Sunday, but this week I didn't get to it. So you see this bag right here, which is holding one of my bathing suits. It's fine, but I don't have that many of them, so I'm gonna run out soon, so I need to order more of them. And I saw that I can make custom ones with like my logo on it, so I'm gonna try to see if I can do that for an affordable price. I got 2 quotes already, and one of them was like $250, and I was like, hell no, that's not my budget. And then the other was like 120 or something. I was like, that's a little bit still over my budget. I didn't want to spend more than $100 on like literal Ziploc bags that people are gonna throw out when they're done. So I don't know, I thought they were gonna be like cheaper, like 50 bucks for 100 bags, and they're not. I want to keep my packaging costs low so I can save more money to spend on the next collection of bikinis. I still want it to be cute, and I want my packaging to be inviting, because I think that is like a big deal when it comes to branding, but at the same time I don't want to like put in too much money there when my main focus is obviously the designs and the quality and this and that and the bikinis. Anyway, speaking of branding and packaging, I just made this little flyer on Canva that I need to print out to add to each of my orders, and then I just airdropped it to my phone so I could print it out, because for whatever reason my computer is like not hooked up to the printer. We're gonna be printing it on this glossy photo paper that I just got on Amazon, and I actually used the same paper for my vision board photos. But anyway, I thought it was really important to mention reviews and give like an incentive to leave a review, because as a small business, reviews are super important. And since I like literally just started my business this past year, I don't have any reviews, and we are just starting to actually sell the bikinis like this season. We have 12 orders to fulfill, which came in the past like 2 days, and it was all from TikTok marketing. Since reviews can really make or break your business, and photo reviews when it comes to clothing, apparel, bikinis, they're so important, because you want to look at what it actually looks like on a person before you buy it. At least I do. So that's why if you bought a bikini for my brand and want to leave a review, that would mean the world to me. It really helps me out. Just DM me a screenshot letting me know that you did so, and I will definitely send you a discount code for your next order. So let's print out these flyers. Okay, so while those flyers are printing out, I'm gonna be making an example package to get the right weight measurement so I can go and purchase the correct shipping label. All of my orders were basically one bikini, so like a top and bottom, and then there were 1 or 2 where they just ordered a top or they just ordered a bottom. And then I had one order where someone ordered multiple bathing suits, but I'm using this website I'll show you guys called Pirate Ship to order my shipping labels. They actually do shipping labels for like half the price that the normal USPS, UPS, FedEx does them, and you don't have to buy like a membership or anything. It's like free to use this site, and you can use them for international shipping too. Their international shipping rates are literally so good. I was like scared to do international shipping on my website till I found Pirate Ship. They're literally a life hack for small businesses and shipping stuff, so definitely check them out. And if you do use them, message them and ask them to enable the simple export rates for you, because then you will actually be able to get the half off international shipping. Otherwise you'll probably get like a few dollars off international shipping, but like you'll get the actual like half off worldwide shipping. So definitely check out Pirate Ship, because they are my literal shipping life hack. So I'm gonna make an example package by putting this bikini in one of these poly mailers, wow, and then taking one of my thank you notes just so we can get the actual weight measurements. So my mom has a food scale, so we're gonna measure the weight of this on her food scale right now. Turns out my mom's food scale is actually a male scale. That's even better. If this is correct, it's half a pound. Well, I think we're in the clear since it is under half a pound. We're definitely gonna be able to do the most inexpensive shipping. So now I'm gonna print out all the packing slips and all the shipping labels so we can then start picking out the bikinis and packaging them to send to the customers. I'm gonna send out a quick email, and then we're going to start cutting out our little thank you notes. All the girls who have literally bought bikinis from my store have been like the sweetest human beings ever. I've talked to like probably 3 of them on email and a bunch of them in the DMs, and you guys are all so sweet. If you're watching this, like, I love you. Thank you for buying my bikinis, and I hope you love them as much as I do. I'm sure you will. I'm not gonna show you guys anyone's addresses, but I have one more packing slip to do, and then I have to cut them. I already cut 2 of them because I'm printing it out letter style, so I have to just like cut off the excess paper because I don't have like a special thing for that yet. Let's go get the paper so I can cut them. I think I'm gonna eat lunch and then we'll do this. So I made a little Trader Joe's frozen meal because I don't really have time to cook today because we have so much more we still have to do. So I'm just gonna eat this. Okay, so we're downstairs in the warehouse, aka my parents' basement. We have a really big basement actually. Here are all the bikinis. They're all organized. I know it looks like kind of crazy, but there is a method to my madness. I did the little cube things that everyone does, but I don't have the thing you store the cubes in yet, so they're all on this dining room table. They are organized from color because all the purples are in the gray and all the greens are in the green, and they're like sorted by size and style. So I also brought one of the beach bags that I sell on the site down so we can collect them in the bag. It's a big weekender beach bag. And then I have my list of everything I need to grab. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And I'm actually trying to film a TikTok of me packing the orders as well, so I can like make more content out of my content. Okay, so here are all the bikinis that we need to ship out. So now we're gonna be using my big bed desk to pack our orders. We have all the orders packed up. It's 5:11. I literally weighed them all, downloaded all the shipping labels. Now I need to print them out, but the post office is closed. So I think we're gonna continue this day in the life into tomorrow because I really want to show you guys me shipping everything out because I feel like that is a big part of this. So we're gonna continue on through today into a little bit of tomorrow when I take them to the post office. But now I'm gonna be printing all the labels from my phone, and then we're gonna be sealing up these packages and then sticking the labels onto there. Guys, I got sidetracked on the JuliaGilmanBiz Instagram while I was about to print the shipping labels. So I think I'm gonna post this one that I recorded 2 days ago. That will be our TikTok for today. I'm now taking a dinner break. Vegan crispy spring rolls and then some vegan pho. It's 9 p.m. This show right here I was watching is pretty interesting. I posted a new reel. Then I reposted one of my tikis to Pinterest. I heard that you can actually make money on Pinterest by posting content. I'd have to look more into that. I still have a bunch of YouTube stuff I need to work on, like emails, and I need to edit this weekend's video. I just figured out the thumbnail for this video. My video idea list is very loose. I'm definitely not gonna do all the video ideas, but I'm just trying to have a framework to go off of so that I can plan my videos out ahead of time, and it'll be easier for me to make my content and post it and not miss a upload day, which so far I've gone a month and a week without missing an upload day, and my goal is to go 6 months uploading once a week consistently. Oh wait, I wanted to show you guys something crazy. Look at this photo. This is a photo of all of my sales from the TikTok that went like, didn't go viral, but it got like a lot of views on Saturday and in turn got me a bunch of sales. I found a screenshot like this on Pinterest. I never made it to the vision board, but I saved it to my Pinterest vision board, and now I like actually have one that I could add to my vision board that actually like has my username on it and not like an edited username. Not my username, my store name. And it's crazy, like this is what I've been like visualizing in my head, and it manifested. And it's only been 2 months since I made the vision board, so it manifested really quickly. I took a picture of me packing the packages behind me. This is actually kind of similar to a photo that I have on my vision board. That one right there. So that made me really happy to like realize the fact that my business goals on my vision board are actually manifesting, and it's just gonna keep manifesting and already started happening. And it's only March. Follow your dreams. Okay, now before I go to sleep, I'm gonna go over my checklist for today. So now I'm just gonna write out tomorrow's list so that way when I wake up I already have it there. I'm gonna get ready for bed. I might do a little editing, we'll see, maybe. so I put all the packages in these little shopping bags to take to the post office. They're the same bags I used to pack my samples to take to boutiques. Alright guys, I'm about to film some tickies. I got my bikini top on and we're holding my bikini bags. I'm still wearing leggings. I just didn't feel like putting them on yet. My phone died, so we're waiting for it to charge. Yeah. We're gonna do the laughing on a park bench trending sound. And then I'm also just gonna like do a little talkie green screen effect showing my bikini. We have major updates. So I didn't end up taking the packages to the post office today because it was raining. I'm trying to get a cute IG of me taking them to the post office. I'm just gonna take them tomorrow because it's not raining. But I have 2 more orders to fulfill because Rachel actually went on a vacation to Colorado and she posted on Snapchat wearing one of the bikinis. She was wearing the Panama City top and the Miami Hearts bottoms. I'll show you guys. And she did a little swipe up for the brand and look, it's crazy. And if you look up here, 937 people have checked out my store today. We have 40 people shopping right now. And we had 2 orders. I'm gonna show you guys her stories. It's super cute. There's Rachel wearing the top and bottoms. The Panama City top. That's a really cute photo. She did a little shout out to the brand.
It's reversible, so the other side is like this, where it's kind of like tie-dye-y.
Aw, thank you, Rachel. You're the best. So I'm eating my leftover fluff from yesterday. So it's the next day. I put on the outfit from 2 days ago because it's really cute and I want to get an IG in it of me holding the packages. So we're about to take them to the post office to mail out so everyone can get their bikinis. And guys, this is crazy. I have an update on the orders from last night and today. And we've had 9 sales. Ah! Rachel's Snapchat fans are so loyal. We've mostly sold the bikini top that she was wearing, the Panama City one. That one's like a bestseller currently, but let's go mail these. Okay, so I'm in the car. We got the bags back there. My mom's gonna come with me so I can have her take an IG of me in front of the post office with all the packages. This is so exciting. Okay, so all the packages have been shipped. Now I need to pack 10 orders because we got another sale when I was at the post office, so that's amazing. So we have another bunch of orders to do. But I'm gonna end this video off here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you want to see any more videos about Jewel Swim or running a small business, give this video a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Saturday at 3 p.m. EST, 12 p.m. PST. And hit the notification button. I will either see you in my next video next week or my previous video, which you can click at the end. I love you guys so much. Bye!